Have you ever felt WordPress is too complicated? You install themes, mess with plugins, and still end up frustrated. Now imagine you just type a short prompt, and an AI tool builds your entire website for you, pages, design, and layout without spending hours or a lot of money. That's exactly what this AI website builder can do. It works with Elementor, so once the AI generates the site, you can customize it visually. For this tutorial, I'll show you how I created a modern portfolio website for a creative professional. It has 5 main pages: Home, About, Services, Blog, and Contact. Step 1. Creating a new account. Go to the website and click Get Started for free. The trial lets you test the tool before deciding to upgrade. Once your account is ready, click Create New Website with AI. Step 2. Writing the prompt. Type something like, build a professional portfolio website for a creative freelancer. Include home, about, services, blog, and contact pages. The design should be clean, modern, and conversion-focused with a hero section, strong call-to-action buttons, and a contact form. I also added services like video editing and graphic design, and asked for individual service pages with clear descriptions. Step 3. Choosing style and colors. After entering the prompt, the AI will ask you to choose a color palette and button style. Pick the one that matches your brand. I went for a minimal design with bold buttons. Step 4. AI builds the website. Once you click Generate, the AI analyzes your input and starts building, creating page layouts, setting up navigation, optimizing for desktop and mobile, boosting site speed. In about 1 to 2 minutes, your complete website is ready, with text, images, and a fully responsive design. Step 5. Editing the website. Click Preview and Edit to open the site in Elementor. Here's an important point. If you want to make changes to text, images, or layout, you'll need to have an active subscription. The free trial allows you to see your site, but to unlock full editing, you must upgrade. Once subscribed, editing is simple. Click a section to change the text. Click an image to replace it. Edit forms, buttons, and layouts visually without coding. You can also add extra sections like testimonials, pricing tables, or new service pages. Step 6. Publishing. When satisfied, connect your domain and publish directly. Hosting is included, so you don't need to set that up separately. Bonus tip: this AI can even convert a non-WordPress site into WordPress or migrate an existing WordPress site to their hosting automatically. With this tool, you can have a professional, mobile-friendly website ready in minutes. Just write a clear prompt, generate, subscribe to unlock editing, and launch your site.